Welcome back to our gardening channel. Today we have a topic that's been creating quite a buzz in the plant community. Can ZZ plant cause cancer? You might have heard some concerning rumors about this easy care plant. So let's dive in and uncover the truth. Stick around to find out. Are ZZ plants poisonous to humans and pets? First off, yes, the ZZ plant is considered mildly poisonous to both humans and pets. According to authoritative sources like Iowa State University and the University of Florida, all parts of the plant are toxic when ingested. The reason? It contains calcium oxalate, a compound known to cause gastrointestinal issues such as diarrhea and vomiting if ingested in large amounts. Symptoms of ZZ plant poisoning. Should you or your pet come in contact with the sap of a ZZ plant, you could experience a painful burning sensation. The Children's Hospital of Philadelphia notes that the actual poisoning from ingesting the plant is rare. Why? The discomfort and irritation in the mouth usually deter individuals from consuming a large quantity, but precaution is always better. Protective measures while handling ZZ plant. So how do you coexist safely with this beautiful but toxic plant? Easy. Always wear gloves when you're cutting leaves, repotting, or handling the plant's rhizomes and tubers. And don't forget to wash your hands and arms thoroughly if any sap comes into contact with your skin. Does the ZZ plant cause cancer? Okay, time to address the elephant in the room. Despite its mild toxicity, there is no scientific evidence to suggest that ZZ plants can cause cancer. In extreme cases, ingesting large amounts may lead to calcium oxalate poisoning, which could cause kidney stones or rarely induce coma or even death. But cancer? No, that's a myth that needs debunking. So to sum it all up, can ZZ plants cause cancer? The answer is a resounding no. The plant is mildly toxic and should be kept away from children and pets, but it is not a carcinogen. Enjoy the beauty, but exercise caution when handling it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative gardening tips and plant care insights. Until next time.